Hello, welcome back to my channel. Now today we have another Disney DIY. I got this rather large Biscoff jar from work. It's plastic and I had a little idea. So I needed to make a little, let's say, hat for it. So I've cut a circle out of some cardboard and I've made a slit up the middle just so I can fold it round to make it exactly fit. So it takes a little bit of fiddling, but it does work. So I found it a bit easier just to use some tape, just to secure it to the lid. You can get the tape off. Now I use this tape because it's a bit thicker, a bit stronger, and you just tape the little cone to the lid. Okay, so next thing, I got this rope in the works. It was £1.50. I think it's about 1 metre long. It's very nice and soft, so it's easy to manoeuvre. And here we go. So I'm literally just hot gluing the rope all around it. Now the ends of it were black, but that's okay because they'll be covered up eventually anyway. I didn't glue every little section. I just had a little wind, then a bit more glue, then I wound it, a bit more glue, until the whole thing is covered. So I ended up using 3 packets of the rope. Make sure you do right underneath as well because you will see the bottom. Well, I'm going to see the bottom on mine. If you make one, and you might choose to stand it, but yeah, I chose to do the entire thing. So once you're all done, I got a little bit more rope. I had a bit left, so I made a circle about in the middle at the front, wound it round a couple of times, and this is what it looked like. So I went in my little craft box. I have some bumblebees and some pretty yellow roses. So now we can decorate. And what I've chose to do, I've gone over any of the black ends with a flower or a bumblebee, any little joins, anything that doesn't look perfect, stick something on it. So any rope that you have left, you will see a little gap at the top where you first start winding it. If you fill that gap with glue, make sure you put plenty in there, and I poked the last bit of the string that I had left in there. Make sure you poke it down as far as it will go, really, so that it's nice and secure. So here is our finished beehive, all for Winnie the Pooh and our little Pooh corner at our Disney party. We really enjoyed this and we absolutely love it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and keep your eyes open for more craft videos. We've got so many bits that we're going to make for the party and would really like you to join us. We'll see you again soon.